All right, we're looking at Unit 2, Lesson 7 homework, and this homework is about composition of transformations. So in this question, we're trying to map triangle ABC onto triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime through this set of transformations. And the main thing I want you to remember, and we talked about this in class today, is that the thing on the right has to happen first. And so I am going to make sure that we do the rotation around the origin of 180 degrees and then do the translation to the left 5 and up 1. So you do the thing on the right first. If you're not sure how to do that, you're going to look up your rules for rotation and then you're going to look up how to do a translation. I'm not going to do this for you because this is something that you already know how to do and you need to practice doing it on your own. So I just wanted to remind you the thing on the right comes first. Same thing will happen here. This will come first, your reflection over the y-axis, and then you will reflect over the line y equals x. You have rules for doing both of these things in your note packet, so look them up if you're not sure how to do them. Follow the rules. And then the last one, I do want to help you with this one. It says in the diagram pictured, what rigid motion or motions would map CD, which is this line segment, onto AB? And so remember, if I'm going to do that, C is going to go to A and D is going to go to B. So in other words, C has to go here and D has to go here, which means it's not just going to be a reflection. It looks like it's going to be a rotation, and you can add in that point. So you're going to rotate around point E 180 degrees.